Whenever I think of toilets, I think of relief. I think of relaxation. Boy. I thought this might be kind of topical with, like, the pandemic and stuff. Because, like, toilet paper was, like, actually extinct there for a minute. So, yeah. I'm gonna be rating toilets from a YouTube video because it's an idea that I came up with in my schizophrenic brain. Let's review the first toilet. This toilet is strong, nimble. I think that it could take a hearty poop. Its sound is kind of gurgly. I think that it sounds like its suction is kind of weakening. I think I'm gonna give this a 4 out of 10. It's got plenty of water to spare. I mean, it was an incredibly solid and relaxing, relieving flush. Satisfying flush. I'm gonna give this a 6 out of 10. I think that was just as satisfying, but just because it had like kind of some disgusting water, and I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10. The toilet had so much water in it, it seemed like it was overflowing. The bowl was kind of yellowish. I'm not feeling good about this toilet. I think I'm gonna give this a 3 out of 10. I'm sorry, I've got to do it. It's a little too bubbly. With a solid finish, I've got to say. 5 out of 10. It sounds like a babbling brook. A babbling river, a babbling brook. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. Oh my god. It's got a bit of an odd shape, and honestly, again, like a lot of water flows into it. But I like the look of this toilet. It's comfy, wholesome, good energy. 7 out of 10. Weak energy. I just don't like the look or feel of this toilet. 2 out of 10. It looks like sewage. It looks like sewage. I did not think that my crapola would feel too nicely in this toilet. It would look even more sickening. 3 out of 10. Kiss this toilet. It sounds sensual and supreme, intimate, even. 4 out of 10. It sounds like it's laughing at me. It sounds like it's laughing at me. 3 out of 10. I just wanted to kind of make this like a thing, like, you know, maybe someday you'll be sitting on a toilet and you can watch this video and, you know, you can think about it. Like, what kind of flushes do you really prefer? And, you know, maybe toilet paper will never be coming back. I mean, I've kind of seen it make a kind of a comeback, but it's been a premium comeback. It's been like, oh, well, you know, if you want a good amount of toilet paper, you gotta pay the extra prices. All we've got are the larger ones, you know, that are bunched up together. And look at this video. What the fuck is this? Yeah, for 500 yen, You can have a roll of toilet paper. These people don't even look Japanese. I guess really what I wanted to say was like, aren't we all feeling a little bit flushed right now? I'd say we're all feeling pretty flushed right now, and so this felt pretty topical in the midst of everything that's going on. So that's my kind of final message. And if you fucking don't subscribe, I will fucking run in and murder your parents. I hate you, I hate you, I hate you! Alright, like the video, guys. Give it a big like. Alright. Bye. Christ, it's fucking time to leave me alone now. I'm a big YouTuber guy. Alright, okay, bye. Alright, I've gotta go. Bye.